In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a collage here on Instagram. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up Instagram on your iPhone or your Android device and tap the plus icon down in the bottom center. And make sure that you select story instead of post or reel. Now to set a background, I recommend tapping the AA text icon up here, and it's going to let you set your background to whatever you would like. You could change it by tapping the color icon at the bottom right until you find one that you like. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it on the standard one just for the sake of this tutorial. From here, go ahead and take this picture and then select the sticker icon up at the very top, and what you're going to want to choose is the photo option right here. Go ahead and find whatever images you would like to go ahead and put on here. In this case, let's go ahead and just select two as an example. We'll select this one right here, which is just a screenshot from another Instagram story. Go ahead and put this in here, resize, tilt, whatever you really want to do. You can even overlap them. So in this case, let's go ahead and overlap two. Put this one right here and then select the exact same photo icon and then put another one on here. Boom, boom, just like that, we've just made a collage. Now you can also add text, you can add music, you can really do whatever you would like. Just once you're happy with the design, go ahead and tap share in the bottom right to post to your story. And just like that, you've made a custom collage here on Instagram. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.